So, start Vishal, please.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hope you all are doing well. So, I, Vishal Sani, PGT Chemistry, and Mrs. Shalu Kapoor, Vice Principal, APS Damana, welcome you all for today's session, that is exploring growth together. Now, let us first know what do you mean by growth? So, first of all, we should know about growth. Growth is the gradual development in maturity, age, size, weight, or height of an individual. Whether it is plant or animal, it always grows gradually. But at this forum, the meaning of growth is something else. Dear friends, here by growth, it is overall development, professional development, gaining new skills and work experience, learning and applying strategies that lead to success, improved job performance, increased duties and responsibilities. Professional growth actually essentially refers to gaining new skills and work experience that can help you reach a goal in your career. And since we are growing through an ever changing scenario, so keeping yourself up to date with trends will give you a better chance to distinguish yourself among others for years to come. Everyone wants professional growth, but one thing to be remembered, we cannot achieve it in one go. What do you think? We achieve our goal in one go? Easily? No. Growth, dear friends, growth is always gradual. That is stepwise. So we need to move a step ahead to achieve our goal. And as a teacher, we have to develop our skills. The question is, how can we develop our skills? So for that, get training, attend a workshop, take a course, read an article, observe someone who excels at the skill. Second is practice. Consider ways you can deliberately opt for practicing the things. Please keep your mic on mute mode. Consider ways you can deliberately opt for practicing the things. हम कहते हैं ना जैसे practice makes a man perfect. So keep on practice. Next, get feedback. So getting feedback, it is also very important. So assess your progress, identifying areas where you have improved and areas for continued growth. So let us explore growth together. Professional growth is all about gaining new skills and experience. That means our development is either related to our current role or the role we want to do next. If we want to progress in our career, we will need to develop our personality first. So personality development is very important for us. Next slide. So we have 5 ways to manage our personal and professional development. We can manage our personal and professional development by these ways. First is set a clear goal about we want to achieve. Once you have a clear goal, you will find it easier to manage your personal and professional development. Second, be intentional and plan your development. One of the best ways to develop yourself and your career is to ensure you keep learning. Work out a training plan for each year and aim to complete at least one piece of significant training each quarter. Third, is looking for and take the right opportunities. Training isn't all about the learning. You also need to find the opportunities to use your new knowledge and skills, but not all opportunities will be right for you and may not fit your personal growth. So choose it carefully. Actually, it is we who choose, who decide what is wrong and what is right for us. So please select the right one. Discuss your career plans with your employer. When it comes to personal and professional development, it helps if your employer is on board with your career plans. Since your employer will be signing off on your training, so select the right one to take on new projects when those chances appear. Next, set goals and measure our progress. Yes, measuring the progress is very important. And for that, the best way to manage your development is to ensure you go through a regular process of planning, taking action, and reviewing your progress. So these are the 5 ways by which we can manage our personal and professional development. Now, actually, this development, it revolves around the skills. So we are skillful enough to reach our target. And how can we achieve that? So for that, there are 10 key areas by which we can acquire our valuable skills. And these are goal setting, communication, collaboration, listening, conflict resolution, adaptability, organization, accepting constructive feedback, integrity, and productivity. Now let us throw light on each of them one by one. So first is goal setting. If we seek more direction in our professional career, so setting goals may be a good step to improve focus and performance. Dear friends, if we want to achieve something positive, we have to set the goal first. So goal setting is very important. Second is communication. Communication is also a very important key area. Offices and teams comprise groups of people from varying backgrounds and experiences. Like we all coming from different areas, different families, different backgrounds. So there is a diverse form. So that diversity can help bring fresh perspectives to a project. Here ideas are mixed together, and it is by communication by which we can understand each other aspect. Recognizing and working with others' communication preferences is a great way to build positive relationships. So communication is also very important. Next, collaboration. Collaboration is a skill we learn at a young age when it is called cooperation. Like हम अपनी क्लास में अपने स्कूल में छोटे छोटे बच्चों को ही cooperation सिखाते हैं. So similarly in the workplace, collaboration involves with others from different backgrounds to achieve a common goal. Collaboration can inspire more productivity than when a person works alone. If we work in a collaboration, the result is more fruitful for us. Next, listening. Yes, listening is also very important. The qualities of a good listener are many, and they can be taught and developed with practice. So practice is very important. Like हम कहते हैं ना कि if we are a good listener, then we are able to be a good speaker. So in the workplace, good listeners are valuable for others seeking mentorship or career advice, for sharing ideas on how to complete projects, how to complete our tasks, and when getting to know co-workers personally for improved collaboration. Next, conflict resolution. When disagreements arise between you and a co-worker, it can be challenging to find easy solutions. Yes, of course, हम एक ही organization में काम करते हैं, so most of the time it happens that there arise a conflict between us. So how can we come out from that? For this, participate in an organized conflict resolution training in a neutral environment before problems arise, or walk away from the conflict if we feel too emotional and wait until we feel calmer to discuss our concern. Means we have to come back when the things are right, when the things are easy. Next, adaptability. Employees who can easily adapt to the changing scope will both be more productive and happier, even with fluctuating tasks and circumstances. Before a project begins, acknowledge and accept that there will likely be adjustments. Use mantras or reading inspiring quotations that keep us calm and focused. Like if we take example, when we start in the morning session, we start our yoga with mantra and also end with mantra, so that it feel us calm and focus on our task. Next is organization. Good organization is a habit that can positively affect every aspect of our job. When our paperwork, files, or a task tracking program are in order, we will probably be prepared to answer any questions that may arise and help to keep ourselves on task. Devote some amount of time each workday to organization, such as filling paperwork or any other task for at least 30 minutes duration. Next, accepting constructive feedback. Yes, we have to accept constructive feedback if we grow professionally. This is also a very important key area. So encourage our organization to foster a culture where both positive feedback and suggestions for improvement are a regular part of office communication. So positive suggestions, feedback, etc. are always welcome. Participate in a training that teaches best practices for constructive feedback. Like we are now going through a teaching training program, so it helps us to achieve the things better. Next, integrity. The best way to gain and keep the trust of your co-workers, employers, students, and parents is to keep yourself as honest and ethical in all your business dealings. So for that, follow up on answers you have promised others. Meet your deadlines without excuses and take responsibility for the results of your work. Like if we take the example examination of our school, if someone is asked to submit the paper or result in a particular stipulated time, so he or she should submit the same on that day. There should be no excuse for that. Then and only that you can grow easily. Next, is productivity. This is very important factor. Last, so at the end of a work day, during each work day, at the end, it can be satisfying to look back on what we have accomplished. We go through back that what we have to achieve. Note it on your diary. Developing our ability to be productive no matter what happens during our day is a valuable skill. Take short breaks when we feel especially challenged or tired. A short walk, some yoga, or a snack can help us feel more able to refocus on task. If we feel tired or some stress or in some stress, we can do these things to refocus on our task. So professional growth is very important for us, and as we said earlier, that it is always stepwise. We cannot achieve it in one go. So step by step, we can, if we move ahead, we can achieve our target. So with this, this is on my part. With this, I hand over to next proceedings, Mrs. Shalu Kapoor, Vice Principal. Ma'am, please continue.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. Vishal has explained. Good afternoon,
Good
dear.
afternoon, ma'am.
Vishal has explained very well the ways to manage personal and professional development, and also the key areas of development that help us to acquire the valuable skills. Now, let's have a look. How do we grow collectively? For that, I am going to share the another screen. Is it visible to everyone?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet.
Ma'am.
Okay, let me.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
fine, fine.
No.
Uh, I hope now it is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. But it is previous one. Exploring.
Yes, exploring growth together.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's have a look. How do we grow collectively? We all have witnessed the following changes. The change from blackboard to the whiteboard, and then to the digital classroom, and now we are working in the virtual classroom. These all changes have shown that we are collectively working towards the growth. Exploring the situation. If we work together, only then the situation can be explored properly and the result can be achieved. Now, in the present scenario, during this lockdown time, to meet the demand of time during this pandemic, we explored and learned the new ways and techniques. Without any delay, we switched to the virtual classes. When other schools, they were just finding the way out. We started our classes from the 1st of April. We start sharing the content with the student through WhatsApp groups from 23rd of March. But from 1st of April, we started with the virtual classes on Zoom. So this is the best suited example of collaboration and implementation of technology. Collectively, we are moving ahead towards the growth. Now, the growth, as Vishal has already explained, the growth strategy is not just a set of function you plug in to boost growth. It is the way in which we organize and rally as a team. So individually, we can't do anything, but collectively, yes, we can achieve big. The growth is more of mindset than a toolkit. So if we'll think, we accept the challenges, only then we can move ahead towards the growth. So challenges, they help us to grow. We accepted all the challenges. During lockdown, there were so many challenges in front of us. We accepted all those challenges. We successfully conducted online classes, the retest examination, entrance examination, and now we are this capacity building program is being conducted. And for student, virtual summer camp is also organized. So this is the example of collaboration, and collectively we are moving ahead towards the growth. Now, the responsibility, the growth, our own growth is our own responsibility. If we will take this responsibility, only then we can think of the growth of the institution. Doctor don't make you healthy. You have to put some efforts. Trainer don't make you fit. We are doing yoga, and Kailash and Virender, they are explaining each and every yoga posture, yoga pose, but we have to do those posture to make us fit. I have seen there are so many people who switched on their videos and they are attending the session, yoga session. So we are not aware whether they are doing or not. That is their responsibility. Coaches don't make you rich. So we have to realize that your growth is your responsibility and you are linked with the institution. So if you will grow, only then the institute will also be in the growing path. To move ahead on the path of success, we have to introspect ourselves and we have to find out where are the gaps, and we have to fill those gaps time to time. We should be aware of the challenges we meet. We should create strategic plan to overcome those challenges, and we should keep motivating ourselves to find new horizons. Only this is the mantra of success. If we'll keep motivating ourselves, we'll accept the challenges, only then we will move ahead towards the path of success. So let's accept the challenges. There is no limit to how far we go. We set our own limits. Otherwise, there is no limit. We can learn so many things from our elders, from our juniors. We can learn, but that acceptability, it should be there. Push yourself beyond expectation. Everyone, the employer, has some expectation from the employees, but we have to grow ourselves so that we can push ourselves, beyond the expectation of our employer, and we can reach up to that level. Open up to new opportunities. Yes, opportunities, they always come on the way, but this is our responsibility to take those opportunities. This is our call that whether we are ready to take those opportunities or not. So open up to new opportunity, accept those opportunity, do accordingly and move ahead. Realize your potential. It is up to you whether, because everyone is capable of doing each and everything. Simply the mindset is there that we can't do this thing, we can't do this. So realize your potential. You can learn the new things in a better manner also. Don't settle for the second best. Always try to achieve the first position. Always try to be on the top. This is how we can, this picture, it depicts everything that we can motivate, we can innovate, we can teach, we can coach, we can solve the problems, we can evaluate, we can instill, we can encourage, we can excite, and there are n number of things we can do. So we should have certain commitments. Now, together we can develop creative solution with courage to innovate, because only those who take new challenges, they can be pioneer. Let's create the atmosphere of lifelong learning. The enthusiasm of individual is contagious. To see the enthusiasm of one, the others, they are inspired to do work. So show your enthusiasm, inspire the others, give respect to the others and get respect. We should respect the ideas and thoughts of the other. We should listen to each other. It might be possible that for the same thing we think differently. We have the different opinion, but it doesn't mean that we should not listen to the other. We should give space to each other. We should settle the indifferences, if any, because only then we can move ahead towards the path of the success. When people are inspired, they can broadly bring vision to the life. And when we collectively resolve our indifferences and we collectively work, only then we can work for the common vision. So collaboration allows us to know more than we are capable of knowing by ourselves. Because with collaboration, we can learn new things from others. So we are lifelong learner and we have to accept this. See the challenges and the situation as a world of opportunity. And are you ready for exploring opportunities and growing together? Let's put hands together to bring difference in our approach, attitude, attribute, and academic excellence and be the best. I hope the slides which I have prepared for you maybe that give some insight in you, because everyone is not perfect. We have some shortcomings and only we can work on those shortcomings. And if we analyze those shortcomings and work on that, only then we can move ahead towards growth collectively and we can bring the growth to the institution also. Collaboration, it divides the task and multiplies the success. So we should always work collectively. That is the main thing which I want to convey. So today is just another day. It's not a new opportunity. It's a new opportunity, another chance, a new beginning. Embrace it. Jahan jago, wahi savera. This is the poem for teachers. I just pasted it on the slide. I will read for you all. Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts, share their achievement and advise their faults. Inspire a love of knowledge and truth as you light the path which leads your youth. For our future brightens, with each lesson you teach, each smile you lengthen, each goal you help reach. For the dawn of each poet, each philosopher and king begins with a teacher and the wisdom they bring. So we produce the engineers, doctors, everyone. So we should work in collaboration. Only then we can achieve the new heights. Thank you very much. This is my great team of APS Damana. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. It was really mind-blowing session.
Wonderful. Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Really,
Shalu
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank
Really.
you very much.
बात कर रहे थे मॉर्निंग में कि बांध के रखा आपके सेशन ने हम सबको. It was really great. Thank you, Shalu ma'am. Thank you.
Exactly.
Because
Shalu ma'am,
I want
Thank you, Shalu
ma'am. Thank you, Shalu ma'am.
Thanks to Vishal sir also.
हाँ.
Really,
Shalu ma'am,
really.
I like your
Thank you,
slide.
Vishal sir.
Only you can bring the change in yourself. No trainer, no doctor.
yes, we have to,
I like that slide.
and no one is perfect. No one is perfect.
Good.
Right?
बहुत अच्छा.
Vishal sir, thank you very much.
Lockdown will get the changes in everyone.
Yes.
Thank you, Vishal sir.
Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can ask.
शालू मैम,
Yes, sir.
आपकी ग्रे टीम में मेरा फोटो नहीं है.
आपका फोटो नहीं है सर? सर मैं अभी
नहीं.
देती हूँ सर.
शालू मैम मेरा भी नहीं है. शालू मैम
Wow.
मेरा भी नहीं है.
मैं अभी सॉरी फॉर दोस्त जिनका फोटो नहीं है.
हाँ,
सॉरी.
मैं भी नहीं हूँ शालू मैम. But really, Vishal sir, Shalu ma'am, session was really very great. मतलब fruitful session, mind blowing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, thanks a lot.
Thank you, dear.
It
Thank
really
you very much.
motivates us.
Thank you all.
sir.
Thank you, Shalu ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal sir. Thank you, Shalu
Superb, ma'am. Superb.
Really.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shalu ma'am. Vishal sir.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Thank you.
कोई और कोई क्वेश्चन, कोई क्वेरी? Any query?
It is self-explanatory, ma'am. हर एक स्लाइड बड़ी अच्छे से सिंपल, हर एक चीज अच्छे से समझ आ गई.
चलो, good.
No question, Shalu ma'am.
Now it's time to implement actually.
But एक enthu बड़ा आ गया, motivation बहुत मिली आज.
मुझे था कि
Time to
time
yes.
Thank you.
and it should be the motivational type. That's why I prepared such slides. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Vishal sir. Thank
Thank
you, ma'am,
you.
for boosting
Thank
us.
you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Dear. Thank you very much. Thank you, dear. Thank you. I think ma'am is not in the meeting.
Ma'am है ma'am.
She is there.
सुन रहे हैं.
She is there.
Ma'am is
Ma'am
there.
is there.
Ma'am is there.
Ma'am सुन रहे हैं सब. Ma'am
She
is
is
listening to
listening quietly.
everyone.
नहीं, मुझे
Ma'am is
लगता है
listening very quietly.
चले गए हैं because मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहे कहीं पे भी. हैं, हैं.
Ma'am तो आ रहा है.